friends, welcome to my video and my channel. Since there are people who are new to ProtoPie, I decided to make the series for beginners and to share a little bit about my stories. Before I start using ProtoPie, I actually played around with a lot of prototyping tools such as XD, Framer, and Principle, and so on. I spent a lot of time looking for the right tool, but eventually, at some point, I hit the limitation for several reasons. But since I started to use ProtoPie, I actually finally stopped exploring other tools. Because with ProtoPie, I could make prototype with super mobile native experience without writing any lines of code. And I actually stopped writing code at all. So that's one of the best things happened to me. And especially with the latest voice prototyping feature, I was totally blown with my mind. So you can imagine how excited I was that finally I could stop thinking about other tools, which was offering me to do the voice prototyping. So yeah. And of course, a few details can be improved, but so far I'm pretty satisfied with what ProtoPie is offering to me. However, when I started ProtoPie, there were not many YouTube tutorials that I could learn. So I kinda had to learn it in a hard way. And after a while, I thought maybe it could be really a great idea to make my own YouTube tutorials to give something back that I learned from YouTube community and share with you guys what I've learned. So here I am making YouTube videos for you guys, and I hope the next beginner video series would help you to start onboarding yourself with a new tool and to have some fun. I've attached a couple of links under the description here for ProtoPie official website links where you can find some inspiration, documentation, roadmap for feature request, and shortcut list. So if you like this video, you can press like if you like, and subscribe, and check the bell to get notification for upcoming videos. So I look forward to see you in the next video.